So I decided to cut open a Nitro Pepsi to see what's inside of it. And there you go. The flavor thingy, or whatever that is. But look down inside your can, that's what's in there. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get that out of there and see what else is in it. All right, a little bit closer look. It's glued to the bottom. I'll be back in a minute. I'm gonna pry that loose. All right, there's a better look. Some kind of flavor pod thingy that's glued to the bottom of the can. So that's what your soda is soaking in before you drink it. That's probably no more unhealthy for you than Pepsi itself. Oh well, now we know what's killing us.